What is up, team? Please let me know that you can hear my voice in the chat. A very hoarse voice. I've been trying everything to get rid of the rasp, and I'm just my voice is so worn. What is up, everybody? Welcome back. Newbie, what's up, buddy? Hey, Daya. Man, I really didn't want to come on like this, guys, but we got a thing to do, right? My voice is completely gone right now, guys, and, well, not completely, right? It was gone in the morning, like, really bad. But right now, Alex, what's up, mama? But right now, you know, it's at least a little manageable, right? So hopefully as we speak, we can go ahead and clear that up. But guys, I can't feel any happier, right, by observing things like this, guys, in our plays coming into fruition. And I'm talking about from early entries, man, like way down entries. You know, made a massive move here, guys. We are already tapping a serious resistance on this. Anywhere between 264 to 269 on NRGV is just outstanding. Oh my goodness. Today's session might be instrumental. It very well could be, brother. But welcome back, everybody. Super happy to be streaming with you today, and just seeing the family win. You know, it is truly humbling, guys. I love it so much. Like, absolutely amazing. I hope. Look at this, guys. 268. Oh my goodness. I can't believe we're gonna meet that our right? It's our historic 269. That would be absolutely amazing. Oh my goodness. So I know what to do. I don't want to sound so like, I don't want to have such a focus on my voice, guys. You have no idea how, like, my voice is everything to me, right, guys? Even as a musician, I would, you know, singing, I would have to protect my voice against so many things, and yeah, all that stuff, right? So I am definitely going to put some little background something, and that feels so timid, right? But I'm going to have a little bit of a tune behind me. Damn, no way. 269 hit. Let's go. Guys, this is absolutely amazing, man. Such a good time in here. Look at that. Hold on, team. What a massive run. Okay, another thing is that, oh my goodness, man, let's go. It's so surreal to see it there, guys. I mean, what is that? Like, I mean, for real. I think we started to mention it around 108 or 118 or 128, something like that. But if it wasn't around the 120s, let's just split it in half, right? Let's say 120. And we're counting to where it is now. Take a look at that, man. Jeez. Just about 123% on shares, guys. Yes. Let's go. Good job, team. Good job, everybody. I will tell you right now that there is a thick resistance here. It doesn't mean that it's going to stop. We are overextended on the day, right? Your daily ATR top is literally 11 cents ago. Now, Daya saying NRGV, you have 258 or 291 target zone for a daily bull flag. Conservative versus total, yes, with the wicks. With a midpoint at 275. Man, 270 just hit, guys. I have a very similar target at the 277. And that, the 277, I'm not sure that it can get all the way up there, guys. Of course, it's just full of FOMO right now and full of, you know, it's just people feel like they're going to be missing out on this. Thank you, Lioness, for checking up. Let me see. There we go. There was a little bit of an echo there. Yeah, let's look at Tesla. Absolutely. Guys, so these targets are just, you know, the 277s, 269s. Those were this week. The power behind this asset, guys, is that we're in a breaking above 269, 270, right? This is the area that I spoke of. This is the sweet spot, guys. Breaking above this, there could be a slip and slide all the way up. And I gotta tell you, it might be worth $4.13. And that would be just outstanding today. I mean, for the coming price. My goodness, that is truly something. Daryl saying NRGV director Paulson. Let's see, Larry Paulson. Yeah, bought 20,000 shares today again. Right? Yeah, he's continuing to buy, and it shows shows longevity. It shows that he believes in his company. So let's go. It gives the investors confidence. So if anything, guys, I do think that they're doing it right. I'm very excited to have chosen this asset to put forth to the team here and benefit from. So yeah, let's go ahead and continue. I love it, buddy. Thank you for sharing that. Okay. Oh, nice. All right, Tesla coming in for potential entries, right? It looked like we almost got that first shot at it. Oh, okay. So remember this, team. Check this out. I think it's safe to say that we could have used this here, right? So we would come into this target here, which could have been this. Bounce to the upside, validate resistance here. Bounce to the upside, validate resistance. Continuation to the downside. Continuation to inside here. With the potential of reaching the liquidity bottom, I'm not sure. Right, this is the area what I told you I wasn't really sure if we can hit all the way to the bottom side, but the entry conditions are there still. Now, because we came in short here, there also could be, yeah, I mean, reaching your, what is that? Yeah, that's your 15-minute opening range. So this low of day could also impair the chances of getting down to 419.52, guys, okay? Heads up on that. Let's see. Okay. But yeah. Following this, I think, let's see. It's already rejecting the first area. Let me check out volatility and momentum. Hold on. I'm just going to do this. I'm going to do this traditionally. Yeah. Let's see. Okay. I'm going to block the drawings out of the way and check this from an immediate short term. I'm going to get really granular here. Let's see. Okay. So we have a little bit of a turn coming in, 1 to 2 minute, right? 3 minute time frame, still has a bit of a kink to the upside. That would be a total of 4 minutes upside. Yeah, that's it. It completely declined that. So downside continues. That would be a total. Yeah, it would just be. Oh, I see. I bet people are buying them, Seb. Let's see, where's Seb? Seb is not in here. I need to talk. He needs to know this. Buddy, I know. Oh yeah, you're in here. Sorry, buddy. Okay, buddy. Yeah, that would be 4 minutes of upside. So giving us. Let me wait the 5 seconds. Yes. NVIDIA announced, guys, NVIDIA making Intel completely betray China. NVIDIA makes a deal. NVIDIA makes, I think, $5 billion deal to design the new chips in collaboration. My goodness. Okay, 4 minutes upside. Continues into the 5. Let me see. Damn. Wait a second. Holy crap. Yeah, 10 minutes is still upside. Still 15. I want to say 20 minutes is still upside too. 30 minutes of upside. We just opened the bar. ATR top on this is taking it to 443.50. 443.57. What? Sorry guys, 427.81. There we go. $427.81. Where's the hard target? Oh my goodness. Okay, the hard target may actually be 427.95. Hold on. Downside from there lasts probably not too long. 2 hour time frame continues. 3 hour time frame continues. 4 hour time frame almost done. Ooh. 8 hours still down. 12 hours still down. 1 day's worth of downside. That may have already happened. Daily ATR low on this reaching 414.16. We got around 421.97, guys. That's likely the low. I think the low is in. The low is likely in. Okay, the next thing to observe would be just the oh right, and then I have to continue. Upside on the day from the opening of the day at 428.97. We still have upside continuing to the 2 day, 3 day, 4 day, 5 day. Massive expansion, guys. Stupid upside on this. Monthly time frame upside, bi-monthly. But again, I think I'm just gonna take the bi-weekly or the 3 week, guys. This is leading towards 478.32. My goodness. You know, yeah, in order to get out of that, we definitely need some closures above 436.52 to 441.63. We need to get over that in order for us to make this 478, which is pretty much 483, right? But I think we figured that last night. Let me see. Yep. All right. Damn. This is ridiculous, bro. This is moving around $14 or $15 a day. I mean, $500. I don't know, brother. 2-3 weeks maybe. It's hard to time the market, dude. That's one of the hardest things to do in trading, is to time it. So I can't tell you with any confidence that this is that maybe 2 or 3 weeks, hopefully. Because that's a lot of upside, bro. Like, that's actually, this is assuming that something's going to get announced so hard that it's going to make this thing bounce $170, you know? I'm just kidding. Like $70. Yeah, I honestly think it's got the strength enough to pull it. So be careful with this, buddy. Be careful. We are presently at an area of entry. This is that liquid bottom, right? Should we continue to the downside, remember that we have something that can impair the chances of getting down to the 419, like I said, and that would be here at 422.05. Okay, all right, let's take a look at NRGV real quick. Nice, yeah, so I saw this hit the 270, 271 just recently too. And yeah, like I was saying, guys, I don't know if, I can't tell you if we are for sure going to hit this 277, but this is already a massive run. We're overextended like crazy, guys. Of course, we're going to get pullbacks here and there. We're going to get deviations here and there. It's all good. You know, it's just that I think that this is the bottom line truth, guys. This is the inflection. Let me go ahead and just show you. The resistance, like the one to beat, is right here. We are there. You see this? Right here. All of this is all relevant resistance. We are presently right at the cusp of that. Breaking above this level, guys, will yeah, even the 280 level. Right, so anywhere between 264 to 280, break above that. Close a daily time frame on that, guys. Oh my goodness, we are set to rock and roll. $3.30, $3.55 resistance, pulls back, validates $3 as a support. Then, right after that 355, another slip and slide straight into the areas of around 402 into just around 413-ish, around there. My goodness. On this? On NRGV, Dea? Wow. Let's take a look. Let's go to the 8-hour time frame. Oh man. This thing is rocket shipping, guys. This is so much. Everything is expansive on this. I'm gonna go ahead and check on Nvidia. Daily time frame still has upside. Huge thrust. Buy daily, 4 hours to close. Massive thrust to the upside. It's completely flooring it. Yeah, look at this, guys. 3-day time frame also. This just opened. This is a new bar. Huge upside, massive expansion. We're flooring it in almost every time frame. 4-day time frame upside, 5-day time frame just as impressive as it just opened up this bar. It's still pivoted towards the upside. Full throttle on this. Let's see, man. Weekly time frame still postured up. This is your new bi-weekly upside. Damn, look at those months. It's hard to battle this, man. With this here, this is ridiculous. Guys, this is way bigger than it's ever had in its life. Way bigger. And this run was 67 cents to around 273 as well, right? And it ran to this point here. We're way above that now and still postured to the upside. This is probably going to be twice the move, guys, all the way to 370s, 380s, $4. My goodness. Guys, I'm so excited for you. For those of you holding position here, I'm so excited for you. Wow. Okay. I got to stop looking. I'm gawking. Let me look at Nvidia. Okay. So on Nvidia, I found there to be something really interesting. And, man, what the hell? I found there to be something interesting in Nvidia. I must admit. I think it was on a bi-monthly. Zach, what's up, buddy? Holding my $2 November calls, NRGV calls. We keep going up. Let's go. You have the $2 too. Good. Those $2 NRGVs, man, those are the way to go. And yeah, seeing the continuation on this, buddy. Yeah, I wouldn't be surprised if a 277 hit, but know that we're way extended, okay, bud? We are way extended now. This top side should be done. Oh, there we go. Just as said, right? But we nailed the 269, 271, right? That we've been talking about here for some time. So good job, brother. Very much a good job. And yeah, guys, I don't think this is done, right? Of course, we have areas to backtest. We could always backtest 244 to whatever, right? But this would be the zones here that we would reach with thrust, short-term trade in and out, and then continue holding your bag. Okay. So, right, I was talking about Nvidia, guys. A massive deal. First of all, them taking on what is it? I think it was a $5 billion investment into Intel for co-designing future chips, which we already know Intel was, the chosen brand for China. So Jensen over here flexing his pockets, making the impossible happen, and Nvidia completely turns around and continues its crazy run here. Now, I wanted to show you this specific chart here on the bi-monthly time frame, because this this opened up not too long ago. So this, to me, guys, this is just your typical. It really is your typical 50% retrace, right, of your prior bar. It would have been just about here, right? Quick 50% retrace. Continue towards the upside on this, right? It's already made a 180 target, but it came back due to the closures of other time frames, right? Many weeks of closures. Validates your 174.01 as a support, maybe even the 169s, right? This would be continuation towards the upside even still. Now, while not the most obvious in the world at the present moment, it is still the potential case here. Let's see. So if you have time, can you look at Snap? Absolutely. Ninja saying, I sold my $2 September 19th NRGV, 500% gain. Let's go, bro. Shares are over at 100%. 150. Dude, let's go, buddy. You're up 120%. Man, let's do it, man. So happy, guys. I'm very happy to have provided such an enormous play for you guys. I will always try my best for you, team, okay? We're going to do it and do it and do it. There we go, guys. Awesome. Okay. So I want to check on the immediate short-term volatility and momentum of NVIDIA here, guys, okay? So let's do this. Let's do this from a smaller time. Okay. What time is it right now? It's okay, lunchtime. Coming in just around 15 minutes, a little over 15 minutes. So this is gonna. There's a little bit of danger on this right now, guys. Heads up. NVIDIA and Meta have an event starting shortly today. CoinFox, buddy. Oh, dude. I wonder if that's why we're getting all this pressure. Oh my goodness, what a fake out. NRGV down to 244, then 262. Very interesting. Okay. So yeah, observing this from an immediate short term, guys, we're still seeing, yeah, there's maybe an upside shift in this. Hold on. In fact, I wouldn't even bet on that side. Do we have a retrace happening? Let's take it by the rules. This would have been an earlier. I need to wait 20 seconds, guys. NRGV has a recent history of slightly rejecting it and next in the money call options and then resuming the next week. Bro. Dude, like this kind of upside that NRGV has, it almost makes me feel like it's going to be an inside day on Monday. It's so damn huge. Like your ATR top today, that would have been like a 259. This thing just went to 271. Oh my God. It's so volatile right now. The FOMO is absolutely kicking in. Screw it. Yeah, 2-minute upside. It's barely anything, man. 3 minutes of upside is only taking you to around 176.15. Let me see, Seb. What Seb is pointing at to me is a gigantic hammer, and the probabilities of a reversal. So this was that dip that we just got to 240 something. Complete immediate reaction on that. Very cool, bro. Oh my goodness. And NRGV back above 264. It's hard to read NVIDIA from this point, but I gotta tell you guys, it's still downside into the 3 minute. Okay, 4 minutes of downside, screw it, let's do it. 10 minutes of down, continued. 10, yeah, the 10 minutes is for, 15 as well. Let's go, there we go, Jaya. Still Still downside into the 20, 30-minute time frame. Still has downside, yeah. Your hourly time frame? No, that's up. I'm gonna say that's where it stops. Hold on. Could that really be? Guys, I don't know if this is gonna do this, but it's saying that it would drop 141 from the closing of the hourly. That may not happen. If it does, we would need to know where it's going to close. But if the case is that we still have downside into a 30, what's the low here? 175.15. This thing got 175.73. It may try the 175.15. Microsoft leading NVIDIA? Let me see. It looks like it looks like a retrace of the prior 8-hour bar on Microsoft. Let me see. Yeah, it feels like it. Wait a second, is this on a mend? Inverse head and shoulders, 3-hour time frame. That has the potential to invalidate the downside. This is a head and shoulders formation. Okay, you see this here? This is your bearish formation here. But then, yeah. Guys, I think there may be an invalidation here. Let me go to the other chart. If this opens up roughly at around 175.78, there could be a retrace on this. And the retrace may be worth around 176.09. But it depends on where it closes again. There's so, man, it's so conditional right now, guys. NVIDIA is not easy. Let me see what the SPX is doing. Yeah, this shit is really not easy. And then Microsoft. If Microsoft continues dropping, that's NVIDIA's 175.48. Yeah. Let's see. I'm gonna try to just finish up this, and because I know there's people risk on this real quick. But I do think that you're right. Okay. Oh, yeah, Jen, check. Yeah, I'm gonna look at it right now because I'm sort of doing the same thing too. Check this out. I'm looking at both of them at the same time. But I'm gonna look at yours too. Okay. Let me take a look. Oh shit. I'm looking, guys, just a moment. Oh shit, you covered a lot of things. Nice. Okay. Well, Microsoft does have a big enough ass to move anything in the market. It's one of the bigger ones. And Tesla did support. Tesla did support from the area I was talking about here at 175.49 or whatever that is. Although Microsoft still dropped another 2 points. Man, this is a perfectly set like head and shoulders on Microsoft, but it also has this really interesting inverse head and shoulders which could lead. I got to tell you that it's still facing some pressures to the downside though. Oh my goodness. That was very informative, Jen. Hold on. Yeah, slight deviation happening right now too. Let me take a look at this one more time, guys. See the thing that I'm seeing here is that Nvidia has this like crazy ass bull flag here. I froze, huh? You know, so if it really is that we're gonna run on that, it was a nice bounce there. We now have we're about 5 minutes away from closing to going into lunch. It doesn't have the volume just yet to trade that upside, but I will say that it has the probabilities of reaching this target here on a measured move. That'd be your 178. Your daily ATR on this is 178.88. But we need to agree with it. Let's see. Damn. That is not looking bad. Holy crap, dude. We're about to close a bullish engulfing on a 2-hour time frame, Nvidia. Nvidia may be a little late to the game, but I can tell you that I think Nvidia makes its move in around 35 minutes. Maybe not now, but it feels like it's coming. Let me take a look at that. Let me take a look at Meta. Yeah, we would need to over the next 30 minutes. That's your retrace. If we could get that right. So let's see if we can maybe 174.59, maybe around 174.20. Right around those targets there. This has, I mean, yeah, we're closing the 1, 2, 4, and 8 hour closes on everything. It would be everything. Actually, I think that's what's gonna. You know what? That's probably what's gonna push Microsoft up. Probably brings it up to the SMA 10 bi-hourly time frame. LOL, NRGV. Oh, well, yeah, I mean, it's an equity too, right? So all of this stuff, buddy. Okay, yeah, I mean, I'm going to maintain bullish, guys, but it's a conditional and also very, you know, it might not be the fastest play in the world, but it's still okay. It's still okay to me. Let me take a look at Meta. Okay. Daily. Oh man, look at that. It's spinning top on the 8-hour. It already retraced, closing above your prior bars, opening and closing bases. Nice. 4-hour time frame, 1 minute 51 seconds, still above the prior bars resistances, and I'm gonna say opening and closing. At 140. Coin Fox, I love it, dude. Man, what an incredible play, bro. NRGV back to 271. Let's go. We still have that 277. I can't guarantee that, brothers, but brothers and sisters. But I'm very excited to, guys, I'm so excited to have provided that for you guys, man. You guys killed it. You guys killed it. Absolutely murdered it. Yeah, dude, same here, buddy. Same here. I have like a 413, 380, you know, it's like a whole range up there. Bro, what a powerful, powerful ticker. How cool is it, the early entry on that, right? Man. Congratulations, team. Coin, they all better be giving you 5%. Oh my goodness. Yeah, we didn't have any heat on that position, dude. My goodness, dude. Let's see. Yeah, Meta's closer, guys. That's going to bring you a little bit of a pullback here, but overall, let's see. Oh, we're about to get that close. Check it out, check it out. Here we go. 10 seconds left. 6 seconds, 5 seconds. Let's see what it does. Oh man, more volatility expansion, more upside onto the 8-hour. Wow. That. Let's see the buy-only time frame. Oh man, that thing's trying to kink up, but it was a little bit of a red bar. The signals that I'm catching on everything, guys, is kind of contractive. It feels like we've gone out of we got out of the shock from the rate cut, right? So everything went super crazy, and we talked about this last night too. That everything got a shock, and now everything's kind of consolidating, right? Potential sideways trading. Coin might be setting up a run, 415. Oh, what, dude? That would make sense. That would make sense because of the entire thing of this thing is ridiculous. Oh my God, dude. I still have, okay, entries did work on this. Nice. So I have this, it's a descending broadening wedge, right? And, dude, yeah, I know, dude. And I'm looking at this on a 4-hour, bro. You know? Oh my goodness. And as you look at this maybe through the daily time frame, dude, this is not so bad, you know? Damn. Play leaves on this boy. Oh, dude, I don't know, bro. Hitting these targets, it doesn't even seem like I don't even know that I want to bet on that. It's so huge. Is this thing setting up its exit strategy? Look at the size of that inverse head and shoulders. My goodness. This right now is a daily. The way that I was observing it before was a 4-hour time here. It's pretty freaking ridiculous, right? All right, Microsoft starting to make a tick up. Dude, this is crazy. Wait, is it doing what I think it's doing? It's like falling wedge, breakout, inverse head and shoulders. Let me see. Wow. This is actually a pretty large target, guys. Hold on. I have a probable target of just measured move of 365, but while 365 is a potential, we have other resistances. Let's see. Oh, there's a gap. NRGB hitting 278. Let's go. Yeah. Oh, you do? Let's go, bro. That's awesome. I think it's gonna do it, dude. Wait for the 8-hour time, right? That thing just closed. In the next 30 minutes, there may be a pullback on this, but this is Marabazoo as all hell, dude. Here's the new 8-hour open. Yeah, I don't even know if it's going to fake out, but resistance is coming here right around 348.20. Your daily ATR top on this would be around 340.56, so we're already way overextended. So heads up in any of these entries, guys. I mean, it does look very bullish, but potential pullback in this. And you know what? The pullback may be short-lived. You know, you do have a support of many other gaps too, right? So the top of this price action here is the support of this gap or resistance. And we also have the, let's see, the wick low of the present 8-hour candle would be confluent to this here. So this is your zone of resistance for now. Okay. Let me put in one more zone here. I have to put that, guys, because there's the end of a gap here and also the start of a gap there, or the start of a gap here and the end of a gap there. Man, guys, it's up to you, man. This typically makes me feel like it's gonna retrace, right? I think these are usually your false breakouts. Yeah, I don't know though, because coin is really leading on its own here. It looks incredible. In other words, it looks incredible. So volatility on the 8-hour time is insane. Your 4-hour time frame, dude, Sebastian, this is such a good play. Coin, dude, you're so right on this one, like it's ridiculous. Bi-hourly upside thrust, 3 hours massive upside, 4 hours huge upside, 6-hour time frame looking special as all hell. 8-hour time frame fired signal too. 12 has a well, I mean, it could be a certain criteria of a fired signal too, man. Your daily time frame is based on your prior day's red bar. This is likely to print green. Continuation. 2, 3, 4, 5 day, yeah, weekly, bi-weekly. So okay, guys, so far your bi-weekly time frame would take you to a top of around 378.88. Man, let's see. Yeah, hard target would be 379.36. My goodness. I feel like any pullbacks are going to get eaten up on coin, buddy. And is that, you know, aside from the fact that we're getting this massive inverse head and shoulders, there is, let's see, a monthly. God. Even a 3-week. Guys, this is a bull flag. Oh my goodness. 2 targets to reach, right? I'm going to leave the, I mean, I can't really say this is an outlier because you have other wicks that are kind of similar in size here, right? So, but still, I'm going to give you both of the targets. So this would be 1. And that's giving you a top side. Let's just apply it right there. Okay, now your target number 2 would be the massive FOMO wick. Here we go. $497.51 on coin. Of course, we need to combat the 446. And then this other ridiculous thing is 660, 684. I'm not even going to talk about that. But it's there. But it is there, guys. So heads up on any pullbacks on this thing, man. If you do... If you do, yeah, there is a, I mean, we just got to the first one, right? There's also another spot here at 339, 342.77. Good God. That is just ridiculous, man. This is such a solid play. And yeah, man, getting the signals on like all of crypto right now to run too. This could do it. Really could do it. Let's see. That's insane up there, guys. I can't tell you that that's going to happen. The 660s, I mean. That's just crazy. You know? Wow. Okay. Heads up, team. Heads up. Yeah. Yeah, let me take a look at that real quick, buddy. Can I do it in here? This is the old chart of NRGV. My goodness. 278, 276. Good God, man. Tesla. Where the heck was it? Where did we say it was going to? Daya, I love you, buddy. You be safe, okay? I see it. Oh. Oh, I thought it dropped more than what we wanted. Okay, yeah, so far we're still at, yeah, so far we're still on the, according to plan here. We spoke about this area being the one spot that can invalidate the continuation to the downside. So far it's looking pretty good. So if it continues to the downside, yeah, we have the entry conditions here. Still looking, it's still going to plan, yeah. So if this really actually, you know, is continuing the downside, then that means that we're probably going to get the chance to enter. Very cool. Okay. And now, War G, are you already in CLSK? Dude, you just don't know where it's going? My bet is that you're really close. I mean, extremely close. Shoo. Okay, immediate resistance is coming on this. This is reaching critical. Resistance levels located at 1333, 1367. Center area would be around 1350. This is a critical high. My goodness. Okay. I'm watching, guys. I'm watching. $9? Dude, what? Really? How the hell did you nail that? Fuck, that was within 12 cents of the low. Damn, dude, congratulations. Brea is going crazy. Oh, dude, if it's already going crazy, shit, man. It's like this one too. Like, I don't even know what to do with this. Other than just say you're at resistance, I would take profit here. Fuck, it just went into the first one. It's likely that it doesn't break this. You know, you still have a zone that you've never really looked back to here. Oh my goodness, dude. Yeah, like this here. Man, hold on. This may be an area for a pullback. Yeah, bro. I mean, your daily ATR top on this is 1270. You're at 1336. Like, this thing is way overextended, and it's because the IWM. You know, it's the small caps. Your IWM typically runs after the Fed interest rate cut. So this is all. Notice every small cap that I've talked about is overextended. And as you're going into these next 15 minutes, there's likely going to be some kind of a pull here. Please be careful, okay, team? Oh my goodness. This is crazy, dude. Motherfucker, this thing is cooked. Damn. What if it just continues on going too and I was just wrong as all hell? This is incredible. You know? But I mean, yeah, dude, I mean the entry for this would have been great way before, of course. Let's see, current ATR top. The current ATR top on a 4-day time frame that just opened today is 1271 and you're at 1337. Dude, I wouldn't be greedy on this, dude. I would not play greedy. You're doing a 4-day ATR in one session. Like, this is crazy, dude. This is just crazy. And it's not done. It's not done, right? I think that the purpose of this run was to close this gap here again, which is the purpose of this one, the purpose of this one. So now just watch out, please. Watch out. NRGV 281, you gotta be kidding me. Look at this. Guys, what? My goodness. Let's go. I feel so good about that team. Damn it, man. Let's go. You're finally making something? What? What do you mean, bro? Like, you're just entering now or what? There's like, these are new all-time highs, like starting from like 243. And that was like 40 cents ago. Oh, okay. So yeah. So then you've been good, bro. You're fucking way up. You're way up. Nah, man. You're good, buddy. You're chilling. Let's go, buddy. That's good to hear, bro. Very good to hear. Team, I am not gonna lie to you. I hate my voice right now, and it's not making me feel as good as I usually do. I want to step out, and I also want to go with my son. And I think I may have to meet with someone too, but I want to go with my son because of the tough time he had yesterday. So I want to just make sure that he's okay. Devil Tongue, I love you too. All right, guys. I love you. I love you all so much. Please reach out to me with any questions or concerns. Financial, you want to be here, buddy? 10, love you, buddy. Thanks, dude. He got smacked in the face with a basketball yesterday, guys. He has his lip busted, and he bled a little. And it was so hard for me to do other things yesterday. I just, I hung out with him. I almost felt like he had a concussion or something. He was doing weird little things, but then he was back to normal. I'm like, oh, whoa, okay. I'll keep an eye. Thanks, dude. I appreciate you so much. Ward G, you kill it, my brother. Becoming a man, says BD. Let's go, bro. What a kill. See you, Leo. Thank you guys so much for everything. You be safe out there, okay? I'm open for any questions, team. Send them over. Make sure that you're talking to me, though. And just on my profile, guys, make sure that this is the thing that you look out for. Look for this. Right? Look for the hashtag. That hashtag is it's because my streamer mode is enabled. But this is OG, right? This is how you know that I am the original. It'll tell you there that I was originally known as Arca 2947 and started the account on October 4th, 2022. Anti-spammer tag, that's right. All right, guys. Last Arca charged me 10 soul. Damn. What are they? Yeah, we don't want to go to that Arca. Let's get the discounted Arca. Right? All right, guys. Take care, everybody. We'll talk soon, okay? You be safe, team. Peace, brother. Later, guys. Financial, I love you, buddy. Thanks, dude. Later, all. You got a ninja.